Hi guys, welcome to Binary Universe. Today we will be discussing how to find the biggest and the smallest digits of a number and to check if a number is twin prime. We will be using the Java IO package to handle the input using data input stream. We will be using the switch for the choice input by the user. Let's set to the first case. So our first case is twin prime. So twin prime is a number which is prime and its reverse is also prime. Since we are using the data stream, we will first input the number as a string and then we will be converting it into an integer by using the parse function integer.parseInt. We will take a flag variable and initialize its value as 0 to check if the number is prime. During the first loop, we will take the value of I as 2 and we will iterate from I to the number. If the number modulus I gives the remainder as 0, then the number will be divisible by I and the number will not be prime. So we will change the value of our flag and we will break the loop. Since twin prime is a number in which the reverse is also prime, we will be checking if the reverse of the number is also prime. So we will convert the number to its reverse and then we will have to check for prime. So first we will check if the flag was 0 or not. If it's 0 then we will move forward. Okay, so in this part we have checked the number if it is the reverse is prime by using a for loop once again. If it has any factors from 2 to the number minus 1, it will not be prime. We will then change the value of the flag to 1 and we will break the loop. Finally, we will check if the flag value is 1 or 0. If it is 0, then it means that in both the cases the flag always remained 0, so the number was twin prime. Else if the flag value is not equal to 0, then the number will be not be twin prime. So now we will moving on to the next case. So in the next case, we have to find out the biggest and the smallest digit of a number after inputting it. Again, since we are using the data stream, we will first input the number as a string and then we will convert it into an integer by parsing. So the basic idea in this is to use a while loop to iterate from the last digit of the number to the first digit. In the digit, we will again and again take out the last digit by using the modulo operator, and then we will reset the value of the number by removing the last digit by dividing by 10. To get the smallest and biggest digit, we'll first initialize two variables as the last one, and we will name those the smallest digit and the largest digit. For each digit, we will take it out from the number and then we will compare it with the smallest and the biggest digit by using mat.min and mat.max function respectively. This will store the smallest value in the smallest variable and the biggest value in the biggest variable after each iteration. And then we will repeatedly change the value of the number variable now. So after fully iterating through the number, we have finally got the smallest and the biggest numbers. So now moving on to the last case. For this case, it's like a complementary case. So let's assume the user has not entered any correct choice and his choice is wrong. It's neither one or two.